Hayden ko, sinurpresa si Doktora Vicky Bello sa 7th wedding anniversary nila. Noong nakaraang September 2, 2024, ang ikapitong taong anibersaryo ni na Doktora Vicky Bello at asawang si Hayden ko. Sa kanyang social media account, ibinida ni Doktora Bello ang sorpresang hinanda sa kanya ng asawang si Hayden. Ayon kay Doktora Bello, maaga siyang gumigising pero mas nauna pa lang nagising si Hayden at naghanda ng maraming bulaklak at ng kanilang agahan. Gayun din, muli siyang nasurpresa dahil hindi niya inasahang bibigyan siya nito ng regalo na mamahaling bag. Nagulat din si Doktora Bello na sa kanilang meeting ay kinanta ng singer na si Arman Ferrer ang kanyang paboritong love songs.
My day started early at 5:45 a.m. because I usually wake up when Scarlett wakes up. But Hayden and his team started at 4 a.m. I woke up to fresh flowers everywhere. The house smelled so good and I got very excited. I quickly got dressed and I found a card in the kitchen, but no Hayden in sight. As an assumer, I guessed that he was cooking us breakfast, and I was right.
Are you cooking for me? Ate, ate lang.
Go up, I'll prepare my... Ito lang alam kung ito, baka masunog pa. Go, 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 go! Basta go up, go up, go up! Masusunog mo ang itlog.
Itlog mo?
Go up!
My favorite scrambled eggs and caviar were on the stove for the family to enjoy before we go about our busy day. I actually thought that was it because we made a pact not to do anything special this year because we were both so busy. But surprise, surprise, Hayden had another thing waiting for me. As I got into the car for my Bello day, I found a Bottega box waiting with a bag that I wanted last time we went to Paris. I didn't buy it because it was so exclusive, thus so expensive. But he'd been thinking of our anniversary for 3 months now, because he got the beautiful bag for me. I am not sure if you know this, but Bello has regular meetings and training monthly with our partner establishments to ensure that all our techniques are up to date. During CME, he surprised me with not one, but 3 performances. One was her wedding song, With You from Pippin, performed by one of our doctors, Dr. Rodney, and Armand Ferrer dropped by to perform 2 of my favorite love songs.
And then, we have to call the president. So I can have... Oh my gosh!
This day was nothing short of magical. Thank you, Hayden, for never failing to make me feel loved and special. You truly are one of God's greatest blessings in my life. And I thank Him every day for making you my husband. Happy 7th to us, and may we have many, many more to come.
Nauna rito, ipinahayag ni Doktora Bello ang lubos sa pagmamahal sa asawang si Hayden sa pagbabahagi ng isang makabagbag damdamin na open letter para dito. Ayon kay Doktora Bello, lubos siyang nagpapasalamat kay Hayden sa pagsama sa kanya sa kanilang journey sa kulang-kulang na 20 years. Dagdag pa ni Doktora Bello, nagpapasalamat siya sa Diyos sa araw-araw sapagkat sa kabila ng mga challenges na kanilang pinagdadaanan, marami pa rin silang mga tagumpay na ipinagdidiwang. Pagmamalaki pa ni Dr. Bello na maswerte umano siya na siya ang asawa ni Hayden at ito ang ama ng anak nilang si Scarlett. Ayon pa kay Dr. Bello, si Hayden ang kanyang best friend at excited siya sa mga journeys at adventure na kanila pang haharapin. Dearest Hayden, as we celebrate our 7th year of marriage, I can't help but look back and be so grateful to have you by my side. How our incredible journey of almost 20 years has led to this moment. I knew from the moment we crossed paths that there was something special about you. Something that made me feel safe and loved like never before. We may have faced many challenges, but we have celebrated more victories. We have grown together in ways I would have never imagined, and for that I thank God every day. Watching you be such an amazing father to Scarlett has been one of the greatest joys of my life. She is so lucky to call you her dad, just as I am lucky to call you husband. You have been my rock, my partner, and my best friend. I feel so incredibly blessed for each day that passes, and I'm so excited for all the journeys and adventures yet to come. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.